Ix-xahar ta' Awwissu huwa normalment assoċjat mal-ħruġ, festi, il-jili twal, serati ħdejn il-baħar, safar u vaganzi. Illum ġejna ta' Sliema fejn sejrin nistaqsu lin-nies x'beħsibhom jagħmlu dan is-sajf.
Naqnum fil-ħodu, mbagħad nagħmlu xi kafè fil-għaxija.
Naħerbu mis-sħana u forsi nagħmlu trip abroad.
Nimxi, fil-fatt għandi kemm ġej minn mixja, ħanneħħi l-kolesterol u s-soltu ninżel norma u imma nħabba da-drana għax minni xinimmu.
Fil-ħodu noħroġ nagħmel ir-ronda mbagħad I indulge myself in my hobbies.
Hawnhekk fejn il-baħar.
Fil-ħodu nismuq 9:07 qed nieħu xi ħaġa.
Tkellimna wkoll ma' bosta turisti li bħalissa jinsabu f'pajjiżna propju sabiex igawdu t-temp sabiħ u sħun li taf toffri Malta.
I love freediving, I love snorkeling around.
In the free time I study Deutsch language.
Eating in lots of nice restaurants, lots of pasta and pizza and stuff like that.
Yes, I go to the sea, holiday all the time, traveling.
We like to see a lot of things.
For summer, having my baby. Those are my plans.
Just enjoying the beach and free time.
Net News ma setax ma jistaqsix lin-nies u t-turisti dwar x'jaħsbu mit-temperaturi għoljin li kellna f'Malta matul din il-ġimgħa. Taffettwak it-temperatura?
Oh my God. It's quite hot. We are not used to it.
Jiena ma tantx inħossħana għal verità.
The first day was a little bit difficult because it's very warm, but also in France the last day were also very warm, so after 1 or 2 days it was okay for us, and it's a very nice island.
Yeah, it's quite warm at the moment. Yeah, of course it affected me.
It's a bit too much, yeah. Yeah, it's very, very hot.
It will affect for me like sweating a lot and I don't have like that joy in the days.
It's too hot sometimes, so you're more lazy maybe.
Very hot and humid as well.
Yes, of course it's really hot, but it's okay, we have the sea, so that's fine.
Trying to avoid the heat.
Kulħadd taffettwa.
Fost oħrajn spikkaw dawn il-kummenti partikolari.
Ma konniex hekk disħana, ma niftakarix jiena. Anke qabel kont ħares lejha x-xemx, illum hekk ma tistax tħares lejha għax isa welding.
Is-sena tal-ħaġa kienet. Is-sena ħażina ħafna kienet. Very high temperatures.
Ħafna. Għax il-ħin kollu bil-AC u s-sena qed nistenna l-kont.
Sa dan it-tant it-temp sħun u xogħol f'Malta mistenni jkompli jippersisti fil-ġranet li ġejjin bit-temperaturi medji se jilħqu 37 grad Celsius. Desiree Grek minn ta' Sliema għal Net News.